Pour some oil and crush the garlics and heat it up. Fry them till golden. Then add 1 teaspoon urad dal and saute till urad dal changes its color. Add curry leaves and 1 red chili, dried red chili, and saute for 2 minutes. Then add mustard seeds and splutter them. Don't overcook all of these, and make sure the mustard seeds are spluttered. And then turn off the gas and add onions and green chilies. One teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon salt and 1 cup coconut, or half 1 cup coconut as per your preference. Mix them very well, and then also add sugar, one teaspoon or 2 teaspoon as per your choice, after adding salt. And then finally add the poha, or bajil as we call in South India, and mix them very well. Let the poha be coated well with all the masalas. If you want it spicy, you can add red chili powder along with coriander powder too.